Are you sure you want to close the database or not? Hey there. Before we get started, I want to thank you for viewing this video, and be sure to check out all other how-to videos from this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and share. It will be helpful. Also, go ahead and leave comments below. Alright, this is going to be a short video. Sometimes you want to close the application, but sometimes you just want to close the form. And in the Access database, many times the form is open individually, meaning one at a time. And I will show you how to determine if we want to close the application or just the form. And there is no requirement for this task. The benefit of doing this technique, it allows you to do the same for the controls such as labels and text boxes. For example, if you want to identify which label you need to change the caption, or which text box you want to change some type of controls, say the size of the text or the background or so forth. So this is a good technique to know. But let's see how we can achieve this. Okay, as usual, we're going to open up our Access and go to create new database, and we need to go back to our Access projects folder. Now you can put this in anywhere you want. So last week I've created these features for you and uploaded, and I just started this YouTube video, the how-to, last week. Hopefully I'll be able to continue to share lots of stuff with you. Okay, let's see. How about, let's say, close or not? Yeah, that's good enough. Close or not? That's good enough. And let's use the same name, close or not. Obviously, your database could be anything. I just chose that name. And let's see, let's go to create a couple of forms, and I will show you different ways of, or not different ways, we'll show you how to close a form. So we're going to save this form, save as main menu, nothing on it. And we're going to make this a pop-up and dialog. We don't want it to interfere with other forms. We also want to set this guy as different form. How about report menu? How about report menu? Report menu. Good. We can also do this technique. Highlight this guy, copy, Control V, C, Control V, and do the same thing. How about admin menu? Let's Let's do another one. Just for demonstration, how about account? That's good enough. And then here we want to add these controls, these buttons to open those guys. So we're gonna say nothing there. Copy this guy. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 forms. All right. See how we can achieve this this thing. So this one, actually I did one too many. Yeah, that's fine. Let's call this one account. Report menu. And report menu. And how about invoices? That's good enough. And we're going to add invoice there. And then here we're going to say admin. All right. So we got 4 buttons, 4 forms we need to open. We can come in here and on click we want to say do command open form. Let's do this. You know what? Let's do this. Let's get rid of that for now. You know what? Let's get rid of that for now. We need to name these guys. That way it's easy to understand. How about command account? Name this guy. Yeah. Let me turn on my cursor. That way you know where I'm moving. All right. Let's get back to here. There. That highlighter is good way of following the instructor. We're going to, all right, Sean Hannity, command report menu. This guy will be command invoice. I think I spelled that right. And this one's admin. Try to be quick so it's short. All right, let's get back in here. There. And we want to say when account is clicked, we want to say do command open form. Yeah. And then we want to open form account. Look at that. And then pop back in here. Now we could just double click on that guy, open that up, open form, and this one is report menu. Yep, account main invoice report menu. This one's invoice. Let's copy this guy. And then just change that guy to invoice. Now you could easily do this. Copy this, do that, change this guy to admin, and then change this guy to admin menu. See that? Now the question is, when you open this guy, the main form is still there. For instance, if I open this guy, you see that, and if I move this guy, that guy is still there. And if you open another one, because it's pop-up, it only allows you to open one. Now, if you show you something, account, yeah. Now, if you didn't have this module right here, if you say no, let's do that one. Control S, save, and let's do invoice as well. Change that model, I think it's called model, to no. Control S. Now that means you are able to open other ones as well. So let's see, where's my main? Right there. So I open that. I can open this guy. You see that? But now I can also open one more because I changed that that guy. No, not report. Yeah, this guy. Invoice. I can open this guy, but now I can open one more, which is this guy. But this guy says, hey, you cannot do anything until you close me. See there? Because of that model. Alright. But now, if your application is open like that, doesn't look tacky. It looks pretty cluttered to me. To me, it looks cluttered. Alright. But having this guy being itself, and that's something you have to work on this guy before you can work on other ones, is very good. Alright, so model is awesome. It prevents you from doing some other things. However, there comes a time you want to have two screens open. Just keep in mind, there comes a time you want to have two screens, two forms open. So then you just turn off that guy, turn off that model thing. Suppose you want to have the account screen open and the invoice open. That way you could reference or whatever. So in that case, turn off the model. But what I like to do here is is when I open that guy, I want to close myself. Do command close. Yeah, and name. So you can do that. That means close myself. It says, hey, if you open that form, make sure you close me too. That's what it says. And you want to do this to all of them. That way you open each form individually, and that you stay on your task with that model being on. So now we can say, you see that? Isn't that cool? Now if you close this guy, oh, that guy didn't come back. We want that guy to come back. How is that? How are we going to achieve that? So here's how we can achieve it. We go on to event on unload. Where's my unload? Oh, there he is. On unload, you do the same. Open form and main menu. How about that? And now you can copy that guy. Copy that guy into this guy. Just go to the code, paste that. Open this invoice. Go to the code, paste that. Where else? Yeah, report menu, paste that, and close, and save. Control S, say yes, save all of them. Now, let's close all of them. My bad. Let's try that again. Main menu. Now, look at that. Now, when you close this guy, look at that. And that's really what you want to do here. Now, when you're on main, here is the trick. If you close this guy, you really want to close the application. That's what the lesson is all about. However, if you close this guy, it does nothing. You see? So what we want to do is we want to open it here and go to the unload right there. Okay, where did my highlighter go? All right, let's get back to our form. What was that? Right there. So what we want to do, we want to go to on unload. Open up the event. So let's determine how we can shut this down or just close the form. What we need is a variable as form. Then we can say for each form in forms. Next. And here we are going through each form that is open. And we want to determine if any form is open. Okay. You know what? Let's try this. I think we can say OK to close as Boolean. Now, if we did this, initially main form is open. That means one of the form is called main is open. And if we open the account form, that is the second form. Two forms are open. However, right here, once that guy is open, it says, hey, try close me. So in here, we're going to detect if any form is open that is not main menu, then we don't want to close it. So how we're going to do this? Let's say if form name does not equal to form main menu, then OK to close is false. So that means if any form is open, there is not just the main menu, just one form, then we'll say it's not okay to close. However, if there is only one form that is open, so right here we're going to say okay to close is true. That means before we're checking this guy, we want to be able to close this, or we want to be able to shut down this application. However, if I can see anything, any form that is not main and is open, then I say, and I change it back to it's not okay to close. So now we can say if okay to close, then do command close me. And I think that will work. Well, let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right. So we're going to close that. Open that. We open this guy. Ta-da! That is great. So it came in here and it says, hey, I've got an account form that is open, and so it changed back to false. We know it changed back to false because initially we say it's true, it's okay to close, it's too clear to shut down. Oh, you know what? My bad. You know what? That's not what we want. We want this. My bad. We want quit. Let's see that one. Let's try that one again. So we're going to go to there and open this guy. Good. Okay, that's right. Now we close this guy. Comes back. Let's go to admin. That's good. Now, check this out. Look at that. And so we are back to, oops, we'll add it. And so close or not. There. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to make that main form a launch form. So on open, when we open this guy, that guy is going to open up. So let's close this guy out. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Open that guy. Good. So that's how you manipulate the form. All right. So even though when we open this guy, it's going to try to close this guy. It's going to try to close this guy, but it won't. Now, if we say close this guy, no other forms is being open, therefore it's going to shut down. And that's it. Oops. Yeah. So that's basically, in here is a trick to close or not close. All right. So I hope this gives you some idea on how to open and close each form, and you can iterate through each form that is open, and or all the forms that are open, and determine if it's main menu or not. And that's it. That's a short video. I hope you enjoy it. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Please come back, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell for future release. Thank you again. Bye for now.